paano kung consistency lang pala ang kailangan? This is my public declaration for the Kraken Challenge. Today, I am committing to consistency in posting. Showing up every single day, even when it's uncomfortable, even when it's imperfect. My goal is 1 million views, not for fame, but for impact. I'll be sharing my journey toward the real estate broker's licensure exam. Yes, this is my take two for that exam. And I also want to share my passion for real estate as a practitioner for 18 years. The wins, the failures, and the lessons that got me where I am today. And to you who is trying, I want to encourage you that just try and try. Makukuha mo din yan. Just believe in yourself, be consistent, and I declare that this challenge will stretch me, refine me, and discipline me. I declare that everything I do is by God's grace. So kung gusto mong matuto, lumago at ma-inspire, follow my journey, be part of it, and let's rise together. This is your Tita Realtor Kraken Challenge. Let's go!